Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you QuickBooks Self-Employed Walkthrough UK 2025. So basically, QuickBooks Self-Employed is designed with simplicity in mind, especially for UK-based gig workers, side hustlers, and solo business owners. But is it the right choice for you in 2025? So let's break down it. Basically, it is for UK freelancers, self-employed workers, and sole traders. It is for those people who need to track income and expenses easily, and for creatives, consultants, tradesmen, Uber drivers, Etsy seller, etc. It is for those users who file self-assessment tax return with HMRC. It is not ideal for limited companies, VAT-registered businesses, or businesses needing payroll, inventory, or employees. So for this, create an account. So go to QuickBooks UK, choose self-employed plan and set your country UK and create your account. Connect your business or personal bank accounts. QBSE will automatically import transactions and you can manually upload CSV files if needed. Use pre-built HMRC friendly categories, example income or expenses. Use the QuickBooks mobile app to auto-track business trips, and you can also manually add mileage for HMRC claims. It generates branded invoices, tracks status, and enable reminders and online payments. QBSE auto-calculates your self-assessment tax liability. Get quarterly estimates so you know what to save. Export or file through HMRC compatible software, example MTD tools. It's extremely user-friendly and made for non-accountants. Simple tax estimate tracker built for UK freelancers and tracks business versus personal expenses easily. It has clean and professional invoicing tool, and it is great for keeping HMRC audit ready records and works well for people using personal accounts for business. So basically, this is the review of QuickBooks Self-Employed Walkthrough UK 2025. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.